Okay, a young lady by the name of Thembeka asked me to help with this question. So step number 1, x squared minus 1 over x plus 1, okay, is equal to 2. First and foremost, we look for the LCD. The LCD in this case is x plus 1 because it is a denominator and it's already been factorized, because we would factorize first if this denominator was not factorized. The LCD is x plus 1, that's the lowest common denominator. Then we write down the restriction according to the LCD. That basically means the value of x that x cannot be, because if x was a certain value that would make this denominator 0, it makes it a 0 denominator, and therefore it means that the equation is undefined. So x cannot be -1, and that is basically in line with the fact that the LCD is x plus 1. So it's like we say x plus 1 is equal to 0 and we solve for x. The additive inverse of plus 1 is -1, so x cannot be -1, because if x is -1, -1 plus 1 will lead to a 0 denominator, which means the equation is undefined. We cannot have that. Okay, then from there we we multiply each term by the what? By the LCD. Why? So that we can get rid of the denominator. Okay, yeah, so then that's x plus 1, this x plus 1 will cancel. I'll be left with x squared minus 1 is equal to 2x. Distribute this 2 into x plus 2. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is positive 2. Then what we do is we transpose the terms to the left hand side. So 2x crosses over and becomes -2x, followed by -2. The 2 crosses over, becomes -2, and then the -1 that was already there, that's equated and equal to 0. Now we can write the equation in what I call standard form, right? Then we factorize this equation. X minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we use the zero factor law so that we can write down the solution. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, because each factor in this product is equated to 0, because we are applying the zero factor law. And remember, we can only do that when there's a 0 number on the right hand side. Then therefore the answer is equal to 3, or x is equal to -1. Then after I write my solutions, I check the restriction. Remember, my restriction said x cannot be -1, so I got x is equal to -1 as my solutions, which means that x cannot be -1. I invalidate this answer because the restriction goes against what this x value is. So therefore I say x cannot be -1. That means x is equal to 3, and it's 3 only. Okay, so I hope that helps you a lot in being able to answer that question. I'll show you how you can alternatively answer this question just shortly.